Carbon monoxide. So when you see a police officer, thug, white or black, doesn't matter, sheriff, person, just look at them and say carbon monoxide and laugh at their sorry, filthy, disgusting, whore ass, bitch ass. You gotta understand something. It was the police unions that paid for this, just call him a wannabe expert witness of this whole carbon monoxide theory to kill, brutally murder, not just to kill black, to murder the great, the Honorable George Floyd. Carbon fucking monoxide, y'all. That's what their defense was.